Options Tender. It is Wednesday, 3/3/21. Happy Wednesday, guys. Before we get on to our information, please go down to that right-hand corner, Options Tender logo, and hit subscribe. Also, tap the like button if you do enjoy this information or helps you out. This helps us work the algorithms and help spread the word and spread the wealth. So thanks for joining us. Let's dive into it. We have ES on multiple time frames, and we'll hit up some trade ideas, and then we'll have a trading day. This is what we do every single day, so we prep. If you're a trader, you have to prep. You have to get your mind frame right. You have to get ready for the day. All right, so enough of that. Yes, on the monthly time frame, still inside month, everything looks bullish. Moving on. Over to the weekly. Let's get that up there. Working on wave 5. Also came off of the 8 MA and the trend line. Pushing up, still inside, but maybe we'll have a chance of breakout soon here. We're touching on the MACD, not quite crossing over, just headed sideways. On the daily, trend is our friend. Here's where we come off the trend line, also the 50-day moving average. We have wave 1, wave 2, and we're working on getting our momentum up for wave 3. It looks like we had this nice large bounce reversal candle here. And we're flagging right now. So maybe we're trying to build up some momentum to start heading higher. All right, let's get down to the 65-minute candle, also equivalent to the hour candle. We just used the 65-minute candle. So each and every one of our bars are equal throughout the trading day. And we're headed up to 3, down to wave 4. You have our complex consolidation. And it looks like we're trying to work out or back test into wave 5 here. So let's see how that goes. Maybe we'll get this wave 1 come down and then up, or maybe this is just the last of wave 5 before we end this wave 3. Either way, we're looking for this area of confluence. We have the downtrend line, we have the expected move, and maybe even the weekly resistance here to where we'll add some puts to end wave 3 and retrace for wave 4. Now, I'm kind of expecting this area here, just because I don't think we'll go this deep. Wave 1 ended up here, and we're not really, as a guideline, supposed to cross that on a wave 4, okay? So we have all this room to work with, and so that's what we'll be expecting. Let's see if we can get a divergence here. So usually on a wave 5, you get some sort of divergence on the momentum in the RSI. So I'll put the line here now in advance just to see what kind of momentum we go up to as we get up to this area, assuming we're going up from here. If not, if we go down from here, then it's it's a different kind of wave count than we've been expecting, and we'll reevaluate. Okay, let's get on to trade ideas. As we were with RKT, let's see what's happening in the after hours. So after this massive explosion last night, we had some consolidation and hit all-time highs once again, up to 48. We do have an extension. It is at the 52 area, so I do think we might have a little bit more room to push. But you guys, there's no Elliott waves here. Yeah, you can't see. This is so extended. If you're in this, take some profits or roll out your positions if you're in options. Just take something off the table. Okay, don't get greedy. Plug. It came back to all-time high, the previous all-time high for the IPO. This is the once resistance, now support. So I do expect something to start happening here. We have wave 1, 2, and working on wave 3 right now. Bynd. Fake meat at the bottom of the channel. Had a reaction there. So this might be wave 1 down to 2 and looking for another move up. Mara. Now Mara likes to move with Bitcoin, right? It's a proxy move, proxy play. So we had a retracement coming back to the gap held, and this would be considered a double bottom. Also, it didn't come across, looks like we had 100% retracement. So that would be wave 1, 2, and working on wave 3. And since we have that, let's just look at Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin made a move. We had somewhat of a wedge, more of a triangle, but we'll consider that a wedge because of the divergence, and it did just barely come below this area here, so that cannot be a wave 1 and 2 because that invalidates wave 1. Okay, so we're working on wave 1 right now. Also, that was, it looks like a somewhat of a inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and breaking out of that area. So we have a little bit of resistance up here, and we'll, if we can start moving, working our way, maybe come back a little bit for, if we finish, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we're finished on this wave count here for wave 1, then we should come down for maybe even a shallow, just to back test this head and shoulder, the neckline breakout, and we should really start moving and grab all-time highs at that point. So keep your eye on Bitcoin. Space. Space made a huge move and now retraced from 63 points all the way back to 33. And this is also a major resistance now, support, but don't just bank on this. Watch this. Give it a chance because we're right here. Don't catch a falling knife. Let it make a move first because we have other supports as well. This is a major trend line. Let's go up to a higher time frame just so you can see that. You have this big trend line from the breakout of the ascending triangle. I think this is a nice area, but we have the 100-day, and then we have a really good support, a monthly support here as well. So just pay attention. We should have a reaction off here today, but if not, if it falls through, then get out. Make sure you know when you're wrong. Place your stops. PLTR. And we're looking to enter this once again today. We had a retracement here. Let's see, we're up about 50 cents, but there, that's a better view. Let's get this, clean this up a bit. Sorry about that. Okay, so we had support here, came off support, reversed. Looks like we're at wave 1, coming down to wave 2. We're just having issues with that 8MA, so we want to wait to see what we're doing with the 8MA before we do enter the space. We have 1, 2, and beyond. So we're actually going to do a nice swing on this one for probably about 30 to 40 days out. We'll check it out. But yeah, we'll continue to monitor this, and good luck trading today, you guys. Hit that like button. The subscribe button is that logo on the right bottom hand side. It's the option standard logo. Talk to you soon. Good luck trading.